In this video, I'm going to show you how to block a program from accessing the internet in Windows 10. So firstly click on Start, then type Firewall. Now click on Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Advanced Setting. In here click on Inbound Rules. New rule. Select Program. Then Next. Now navigate program where you want to block internet. So open C drive, then program files. In here select any program. Then click on Open. Then Next. Select Block the connection. Then Next. Check all box. Give the name for this program. Then Finish. Similarly, click on Outbound Rules. Click on New Rule. Program Next. Navigate that similar program. Then Open and Next. Select Block the connection. Next. Then Finish. So hopefully friends, you like this video. Like this, we can block any application to access your internet connection. Thanks for watching.